Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a very popular South Indian chicken snack, Buhari restaurant style chicken 65. You all must have heard about this dish, yes, and there are many stories popular how this dish got its name as chicken 65. Some say that the chicken was cut into 65 small pieces and prepared, so they called it chicken 65. While some believe that they must have used 65 ingredients in this preparation, so they named it chicken 65. But coming from the owners, they said that the chef first time prepared this chicken in 1965, and so they called it chicken 65. I think this is acceptable because it could be true. And this chicken became so popular that the chef again tried later in the year 1980, 1990, many other dishes and named them after the year, but they were never as popular as this one. So let's go and prepare our chicken 65 today. To make chicken 65, I have taken 250 grams of chicken with bones. You may take boneless chicken if you wish. And for marination, here we have spiced red chili powder, half teaspoon, and Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon. This is for color, and a pinch of red food color. And we have half teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. And then here for tempering, we have taken 5 to 6 chilies, slit them into halves, some ginger juliennes, handful of curry leaves, and lemon to squeeze on top before serving, and some oil to fry. The detailed recipe link is given in the description box. You can check it out. We'll start with the marination first. Put them into a larger bowl and add all the ingredients one by one. Ginger garlic paste, yogurt, spices, salt. Spices can be increased to your liking also. Red chili powder, actually in South India they add more red chili powder. Our family eats mildly spiced food, so I'm adding only half teaspoon. You can add more. The spicier the better it tastes. Now we are going to give a good stir to everything. Mix the marination ingredients very well so that they get nicely covered on all the pieces. Now this is done. We are going to set it aside in the refrigerator. Cover it with a cling film, or this is a nice silicone cover you get for the dishes in different sizes. Now this goes into the refrigerator. Set it aside for a few hours or even overnight. Now in a pan, heat oil for frying the chicken. Let it become hot well, and then reduce the flame to medium. See, the chicken is marinated so well. Now drop the chicken pieces into the oil after reducing the flame little. The frying has to be done on medium flame so that the inside part also gets cooked well. This is a very delicious chicken snack, a very popular one from South India. Now chicken pieces have to be turned several times. Every minute you keep turning them so that they get fried evenly inside also. You can see the outside part is also getting nice and crispy. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. If you are using boneless chicken, then it takes less time because the pieces are smaller. But traditionally, this chicken is made with the bones. This tastes better than boneless chicken. Now this is nearly getting done. You can see the color is changed. Looks nice and crispy texture. This makes a great party dish actually. The time also depends on the size of the chicken pieces. If they are too small, you can remove in around 8 minutes. If they are little bigger, it takes about 10 minutes. You can check by inserting a knife if the chicken is soft inside. Now it's done. Remove it on a kitchen tissue paper. Now the pieces are removed. We can serve them after adding these temperings. We are going to lightly saute them with little oil. Heat about 1 tablespoon oil. First we'll put the ginger juliennes, saute them a bit. You can even add garlic pieces also if you wish to. Next goes in the curry leaves and the green chilies. Dip in the chicken pieces now and just give it a good toss. And here your chicken 65 is ready to be served. Squeeze a little lemon juice if you wish to, which gives a nice and tangy flavor to the chicken. Let's transfer it into a serving dish. You must give it a try. It's a very delicious snack, nice and spicy, crunchy on the outside, nice, juicy and soft inside. Serve it immediately when you make for better taste. Garnish with few more green chilies. In case somebody likes to have a nice zing, they can have a bite of this green chilies. Keep some lemon wedges and raw onion rings, and your platter is ready to be served. I'm sure you're going to love it. Make and enjoy it with your family and make for your friends also when they come over. Irresistible chicken 65. Tasting time. Now let's see how it is turned out. You can see that it has got a nice and crispy layer on the outside, and inside it's nice, soft and juicy, well cooked. So do give it a try. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out in case you have not watched them. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Bye.